And welcome to this week's Trades of the Week. We've got three trades to show you that have hit out over the last few days. We're starting here on NYMEX crude oil, so US oil. And we had an entry on this trade to go short. We're actually in line with the monthly trend here. As you can see here, we've got the monthly and weekly trend signals. We see a downward pointing red arrow there on the monthly chart. So we're going in line with the trend, which means we go for a bigger target. We use a derivation of the average true range. So we go for 1.3 times the average true range. So 1.3 times 179 comes to 232. So we had 230 pip target on this trade. And you can see here within 3 days, so we hit target there on the 11th with 232 pips profit there on NYMEX crude oil. Moving on then, we had another sniper trade on sterling Swiss. So sterling versus Swiss franc. We had an entry here again on the 1st of February. Took a little bit longer to hit target this one, but it's well worth it because again we're going in line with that monthly trend, so we have a higher success rate, a higher probability that we're going to move on for a bigger target. So going for that derivation of the average true range, it's 147 pip targets, 1.3 times the ATR. We can see here that it took a little while, but actually went on to hit target there on the 14th, and we banked 147 pip profit. And then finally, smaller trade on dollar yen, long opportunity, so buying opportunity here, going for a 62 pip target. We're going for the average true range again, so you can see here a slower moving market at the point of entry, 62 pip target. Going against the trend, you can see here that the weekly and the monthly are against us into that market. Little pullback before eventually going on to hit target, and we banked that profit on the 11th of February there. So 3 sniper trades. We'll be going through more trades like this in our webinars next week, Tuesday and Thursday at 12:30, and then Wednesday at 7. There's a link just below the video to book in, and we look forward to seeing you all online next week, and have a great weekend. Bye-bye.
If you would like more information about trading the right way, Trendsignal is giving you the opportunity to see and hear about its services live at a free online seminar. Take a look at the Trendsignal website for the latest events and to book your free place.